Nourish your nerves, top foods for optimal health. Welcome to our journey through the best foods for nerve health. Nourishing our nervous system is crucial for overall well-being, and certain foods can play a significant role in maintaining and improving nerve function. First on our list are leafy greens. Rich in B vitamins, these vegetables, including spinach and kale, support nerve health by promoting proper nerve function and aiding in the repair of nerve tissues. Berries come next, bursting with antioxidants. These tiny powerhouses, such as blueberries and strawberries, fight against oxidative stress and inflammation, protecting nerves from damage. Fatty fish, like salmon and mackerel, are invaluable. They're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, essential for nerve health. Omega-3 SS help build membranes around nerve cells, enhancing their structure and function. Nuts and seeds shouldn't be overlooked. Almonds, walnuts, and flaxseeds contain healthy fats, magnesium, and B vitamins, supporting nerve repair and reducing inflammation. Whole grains are key for a balanced diet. Quinoa, oats, and brown rice are full of B vitamins and fiber, aiding in maintaining a healthy nervous system and improving nerve communication. Avocados, rich in monounsaturated fats, not only support brain health, but also help in forming protective insulation around nerves, ensuring their optimal function. Eggs are an excellent source of B vitamins, particularly B12, crucial for nerve health and regeneration. They also provide choline, which is vital for the creation of neurotransmitters. Citrus fruits, packed with vitamin C, play a vital role in collagen production, necessary for repairing and maintaining nerves and their protective sheaths. Legumes, including lentils and beans, are packed with magnesium, a mineral that helps in nerve transmission and relaxes the nervous system, reducing the risk of nerve damage. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, offers powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, protecting nerves and aiding in the healing process. Dark chocolate, rich in flavonoids, can increase blood flow to the brain, aiding in nerve function and providing powerful antioxidants to protect nerves. Greek yogurt stands out for its high levels of vitamin B12 and probiotics, which support nerve health and maintain the intestinal microbiota, indirectly benefiting the nervous system. Water is essential. Staying hydrated ensures that nutrients reach the nerves efficiently and toxins are removed, vital for maintaining healthy nerve function. Incorporating these foods into your diet can significantly contribute to the health of your nervous system. Remember, a balanced diet, rich in variety and nutrients, is key to supporting nerve health and overall well-being. Thank you for watching. If you find this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe Physiomedics.